Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome to day 58 of our 60-day health transformation journey. Today, we're talking about navigating social situations while maintaining your health goals. Social events can be challenging when you're trying to stick to your health goals, but it's definitely possible with a little planning and mindfulness. Tip 1. Eat a healthy meal before you go. This way, you won't be starving when you arrive and you'll be less likely to overindulge. Tip 2. Choose wisely. Look for healthier options like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Moderation is key, so enjoy your favorites in smaller portions. Tip 3. Don't be afraid to say no. It's okay to politely decline foods or drinks that don't align with your goals. Your true friends will understand and support your choices. Tip 4. Stay active. Engage in social activities that involve movement, like dancing, playing games, or even going for a walk with friends. Remember, it's about balance and enjoying the moment without compromising your health goals. Plan ahead, make mindful choices, and have fun. Thanks for joining me on day 58. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we'll discuss the importance of flexibility and stretching. Stay social and stay healthy.